Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and confirming the symptom. First, back up to iCloud or a local encrypted backup. Once done, open Settings Display and Brightness and toggle True Tone to observe change. Make sure to visually inspect the top bezel and ambient light sensor for dirt or a screen protector blocking light. If the sensor looks clear, run a basic hardware diagnostic app or built-in diagnostics to log sensor readings, because you need that evidence before deeper repair. You proceed with software-first fixes. Update iOS to the latest build and reboot the phone to clear transient issues. Once rebooted, reset all settings. This preserves data but clears display-related configs, and check True Tone again. If the problem persists, use official diagnostics or a known calibration tool to read ambient sensor values and display matrix data. These steps isolate whether the issue is firmware or pairing related. If readings are off, you're ready to consider the display or sensor hardware swap. You now perform the hardware fix. Remove the display assembly and check the ambient light sensor flex and connector. Reseat or replace the OEM display module if required, and use the manufacturer pairing procedure when applicable. Once reinstalled, run the calibration routine and verify True Tone across multiple brightness levels and color temperatures so you confirm behavior. If True Tone still fails, make sure board-level sensor connections are intact and consider restoring the device firmware or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.